If your business does not have a firewall, you could be leaving your front door wide open. So you might be asking, what does a firewall actually do? Think of it like a security guard for your network. It decides what's allowed in and what gets blocked. It is the first line of defense on your network. Now, before you say, I've already got one, let me ask you this. Are you using the same router your ISP gave you? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. A good firewall goes further than just blocking ports. It watches traffic in real time using something called intrusion detection system. IDS analyzes your network for suspicious behavior, like an intruder trying to find an open window in your house, and alerts you before the real damage is done. Something a basic home-grade router just can't do. For business, especially if you have servers, remote access, or cloud apps, having a good firewall in place is critical. Will a firewall stop everything? Well, no, it won't. But without one, you don't even know you're getting attacked. So if you need help choosing the right firewall for your business, just reach out to the team at Accel IT and we can help you out. I'll also put in the video description some common firewalls that businesses use, so be sure to check it out.